We're going hog hunting today. I invited my buddy Justin and Cody. Cody's has a big old swamp buggy. We're just gonna ride down these roads looking for some hogs. There's Justin and Cody. Looking through the cane fields, looking out in the cut fields. Some fields are cut and some fields are not cut. Nice and tall still, like that field there. And then we look down the ditches, see if we can spot some hogs without the dogs finding them. There's little boy Hemi, trying to figure his nose out still. We were riding down this main road right here, and we didn't get it on film, but we seen two big boars fighting in the middle of the road. So we picked up the dogs and we rode around the ditch. We had to go around two ditches to try to get closer to them to get onto the road they were on. Right there is where the hogs were fighting, and we had all the dogs on the ground at this point, and they all started ranging out, going all over the place. There was definitely more than them two hogs in there. We seen one run right past us too when the dogs were on the other end. We had one bait up at like 700 yards for like 5 minutes. We just couldn't get to him fast enough, and it ended up breaking and crossing a ditch. And then later on, they baited up again. You start running down the ditch, trying to get closer to them. At this point, the sun's starting to set, so out in the open it looks all nice and light out, but once you start entering the sugarcane, it's pitch black. As you can see here, this is not even a minute later from that last clip, and it's just dark. It's just, this is the thickest kind of stuff you can find, and the hogs are all in it. It's hard to hunt. Finally made it through the cane field, out on the other side with the ditch. Get to the hog. We put the hog down quickly. I don't know what Justin's doing here. He ain't right in the head. He's a little weird. But we were inspecting it. We seen it was a sow. And definitely had some good teeth on it for a sow. That was the first thing I noticed. Look at the teeth on that thing. About 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches they were. For a sow hog, that's pretty good. Didn't really focus in on it too good, but it's a toothy sow hog. We hunted the rest of the night, a couple more hours, and we had some hogs bait up for a while, but couldn't get any other dogs into the dog that had him bait up. I think it was that dog there in the middle. Lexi had one bait up. So we'll try it again another day. See if we get more. Thanks for watching. Maybe next time I'll get some audio, because my microphone was dead again.